All-Star Case Breaks. We're doing 2019 Panini Contenders Draft Pick Basketball Box Break for Holt. Good luck, man. Thank you very much. Good luck. Here we go. Well, there it is right off the bat. Sagaba, this is the blue foil version, Konate autograph. I think that's West Virginia Mountaineers. That is the parallel version. Well, maybe we DeMar DeRozan foil. Ah, there's an R.J. Barrett school colors. Kevin Porter. Shy foil. R.J. Barrett game day ticket. Oh, thank you very much. Congratulations. Let me know if you like anything else.